guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have two amazing horror movies for you. And the first movie is Metamorphosis from 1990. So the story of this movie is about a scientist that is specialized in genetic research, and he has a project in a university he's hired by where he's working on anti-aging in the human cells of the body. And he's trying to get renewal of the funding for his project, but since he hasn't published any results from his project in the last 2 years when he was working in this university, they are very skeptical of renewing his project. So he's starting to panic about this. And he has tried everything in this project. He has tried the serum he's developed on animals. He's tried it on in different settings in the lab, and he still can't get it to work properly, and he just knows that it will work. So one day he decides that he needs to do it on himself before the board of the university decides his future. So he injects himself with his anti-aging serum that he knows will work, but things start to develop in a very weird way for him physically and mentally. He starts getting memory loss from certain times in his life, and he develops a very weird primal behavior. He gets very aggressive, and he starts to get physical changes. I won't say anything else, but things get very, very weird for him now. So this is a great horror movie. There are great practical effects in this movie, but I have to warn you, the ending is very, very cheesy, and I really laughed at the ending. But it's a great movie anyway, so be prepared for a very cheesy moment in the end.
Станцимир, говорит академик Канабов Владислав Волков, прием.
Юрий, посмотри.
Станцимир?
The next movie is Virus from 1999, and it's starring Jamie Lee Curtis, Donald Sutherland, and William Baldwin. So the story of this movie is about a small team of salvage crew members, and they're on a ship out in the ocean, and they're transporting a cargo load, and all of a sudden this cargo load is just cut off from their ship, and it disappears right down into the ocean. And there's a big storm coming, and they flee to the eye of the storm, where they are safe for the moment. And all of a sudden, when they are in the eye of the storm, they get a signal on their radar that there is another ship in the same area where they are at. So they decide to go to that area where this other ship is. So they go to this other ship, and when they arrive, they find out that this is a Russian science ship. It's a very big ship with satellite dishes and radar equipment. And they decide to board this ship, and they can't read the shipper's log or anything like that, and they don't find any crew members on the ship, so the whole situation is really, really weird. And they decide to search the whole ship, and when they are searching all the areas, all of a sudden they get attacked by small and big robots, and some of them are half human, half robots, just like cyborgs, and they start to hunt this salvage crew on the ship. This is a great sci-fi horror movie. It has a great cast, it has great practical effects, and I really love these human robots, cyborgs in this movie, and you will not be disappointed if you haven't watched this movie, so just go watch it right now. Okay, this is all I had for you today. If you have seen these movies, what did you thought about them? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. And as always,
stay gold, football.